Hi everyone, Mike here. We've assumed you've installed R and RStudio, and now it's step 2. You need to do this once so that you can produce PDF documents when you knit. So do the following. You go into RStudio, and by the way, get some music ready because this will take 5 to 10 minutes. So we click on RStudio, and you want to type that in. TinyTech, : install _ TinyTech, open close paren. Looks really bizarre, but this installs a package called TinyTech. Behind the scenes, when you're creating a PDF from a Markdown, you're latexing it, you're teching it. That's the package that's combining the math weird stuff with the text, with the graphics into a PDF. We need this. This takes a little bit of time to install, though, be forewarned. And so we'll see it from start to finish. Going to be one of the more boring videos you've ever seen. So we type this in, we hit enter. Now it's going to download stuff, and in fact it's going to say on the screen that occasionally you're going to see some things and you're just going to click through them. And so it's going to do its thing. We'll come back. We're going to actually play some tunes right now because it's going to be boring. I like this. It sort of has a Lou Reed vibe to it, but Camp's kind of a nice little band.
I was in the corner, drinking from the punch. Yeah, you were in the kitchen, cutting up a rug. No need to complicate it. I had fallen in love with you, so underrated. Something filling up my lungs. Every color of your love, I've seen enough, I want another. Every color of your love, I've seen enough, I want another. Hey little mama, when you talk back, I see your eyes light up and I love that. I'm just a beach bus boy, oh, so alone, oh, I don't wanna miss you, honey, come home. Knock, knock, you're coming over couple times a week, hanging on my shoulder, shaking like a leaf. Every color of your love, I've seen enough, I want another. Every color of your love, I've seen enough, I want another. Yeah. Hey little mama, when you talk back, I see your eyes light up and I love that. I'm just a beach bus boy, I'm so alone, no, I don't wanna miss you, honey, come home.
Yeah, it was really weird on the screen. Oh, this is not a good sign. It's the second foul out of 81 in the finals. Not 3-1. Now this is why we were. Now this, I think this is really beautiful.
Hold me, don't hold me down.
You haven't seen this one. This is beautiful. It's done in a what do you call that? A glacier park. They have, where the hell is this ice? Yeah, ice cream. I want to go there. It's so cool. How do you release this thing? That's so cool. It's gorgeous.
It weighs heavy on one's heart. I could tell right from the start that sweeter one so hard to come across. There is more than meets the eye. Heart like yours is rare to find. Someone else's kid will be my loss. Whoa, whoa,
okay, and you're done. So you're here, it's done. It's done the install. Took what, 5-10 minutes. You're all set. So clear that. It's done. You never have to deal with that again. How do you know it worked? Well, let's check it out. It's file, new file, R markdown. And we're just going to do a test file. We're going to call it, we want to create a PDF. There it is. Now we're going to knit, like you would in cloud, knit the PDF. We have to give it a name. We'll call it test file here. Excuse me. And it's knitting while I'm coughing. Oh my gosh, and there it is. PDF output, just like you would in the cloud. And that's it. You're good to go. You can work here. And we'll do one more file to show you how to do a file structure and save your files locally.